Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a meal prep delivery business website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix when it comes on to creating a business website or overall any website is because it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. So I want you to go on to wix.com, and from there you're going to create your account using your email address or your Facebook account. After creating your Wix account, you're going to tap on create new site in the top right hand corner. Then from there I want you to tap on build with the Wix editor. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on set up without chat. Then on the search bar, you're going to type in meal prep. So you can do that real quick right here. And you can see the different options. You can see meal subscription box. You can see prepared meals shop. You have numerous delivery options or different segments that you can go into. But the one that we'll be using for this example, so let's say for example, we'll be using this one, the meal subscription box. So we'll select that. Then we're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can add in your business name. So for example, I'll just call it meal prep. Then we're going to tap on continue. After doing that, do you already have an online store? I'm going to select no, then tap on continue. Then after doing that, you can select what type of product you'll be selling. And for example's sake, we'll be offering services. So we'll select services and we'll also be selling physical products. So you're going to select both, then you'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, from here you can choose whether you would like to create an online store with complete checkout experience, definitely, and you will also like in person. Then we're going to tap on continue, then select continue once more. Once you have done this, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And from the left-hand menu option, I want you to tap on apps and you're going to select app market. After selecting app market, there are a few apps that I want you to download. So for example, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're just going to type in restaurant, or you can select restaurant right there. After selecting restaurant, you can see the different options, and we're going to be selecting the restaurant, the Wix restaurant menu option. So you can select this right here. After you have done that, you can add it onto your site for completely free. So you're going to tap on add to site and just give it a few seconds. Then we'll tap on open. After tapping on open, from there we'll tap on continue with setup for now. After selecting continue with setup for now, we'll be redirected to our dashboard. Now once on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more and you're going to hover over catalog. After hovering over catalog, you're going to select restaurant menus. After selecting restaurant menus, from here you can lay out the different dishes that you will be offering. So for example, you can tap on add new menu. Then from there you could put in the menu name. So for example, I'll call it test. Then you could add in a description and tap on save. After you have done that, you can tap on add section in the top right hand corner. And from here you can add in the different sections as you can see right there. So this is how you'll be able to create the different meals that you'll be offering. So for example, I'll just call this test meal 1. Then you could add in section description if you want, and we'll tap on save. After you have saved it, you can see test meal 1. Then you can add more sections if you want by tapping on add section. You can add more sections, or you can tap on quick add and you can add other things below the test meal. Once you're finished, you'll tap on add section again and you can add something else. For example, you could add an appetizer, then you could add meal, main dish, and so on. After doing that, you can tap on store products from the left hand menu option, and from here you can also add the different plans or different dishes that you will be offering. After adding those, what I recommend that you do is go over to the left hand menu option and tap on booking services. And from here, you'll be able to add the different services that you'll be offering. So for example's sake, you could tap on start from scratch. And then from there, if you offer consultation when they are just getting started, you could do that. So we could type in consultation right there. Then after doing that, you could add a quick description, select the duration. Then let's say, for example, the consultation is free or at a fixed price. Let's say you charge $100. You could select fixed price. Then you could put in $100 right there. If it was free, you'll tap right where you see fixed price and you'll select free. Then you will tap on save in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you can continue adding more services. So you can tap on add a new service and you could add it right there. Once you're finished, it is now time to set up how you will get paid. So you're going to tap on getting paid in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on connect payment method. And by the way, you can also see by scrolling down, you can request payment by sending an invoice and you can create an invoice using Wix. You can also use their POS platform if you want. And you can see they have numerous features that you can use. You can create quotations. You can also create proposals and so much more. So if we were to tap on connect payment method, depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. Because I'm located in Jamaica, you can see that I'll be able to offer KiloPay, PayPal, and manual payment. And if I were to tap on see more payment options, you can see that I'll also be able to offer payment wall. But if you're located in a different country, for example Canada or so on, you'll have even more payment options that you can offer your customer. Once you're finished setting that up, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. And I want you to tap right where you see pick a template. After selecting pick a template, from here we're just going to be typing in, for example, you can see meal subscription box. So you can see how it looks right there. And we're going to be selecting this option, food delivery, and we're going to tap on edit. To close the pop-up box, then you're going to tap on plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And this will allow you to get a better view of your website. So you can see how our website looks already. It does look very professional. Now to start editing it, you can hover over any section you'd like to change, then tap on quick edit. After selecting quick edit, you could change the vector art and add your own logo. You can also change the paragraph text and you can scroll down and you could set the different social links. So by tapping on set link, from there you'll be able to add your Facebook, Instagram, and X link quickly. So you can see with this platform, it is quite beginner friendly, and all you'll need to do is simply select the section and then from there is drag and drop. And to edit this page, the concept is the same. You'll select the page, tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner. From there you can change the background image, you can edit the title, and you can change the different images. And you can scroll down and you can continue editing each section. To view the pages on your website, you'll tap right where you see home in the top left hand corner, and from there you can see all of the pages. So for example, if we were to select menu, it will redirect us to the menu page, and you can see a sample menu list right here. So this is how it looks. So you can see it right there. And you can also edit the menu by tapping on manage menu right here. After tapping on manage menu, from here you'll be able to edit and add more dishes if you want. So again, you can see how it looks right there. You can edit this. So for example, we could tap on edit main menu details. After you have done that, you could change the title, and then from there you can change the different dishes that it offers at the moment. So you can see there are 4 sections. You can edit the sections and so on if you want. Once you're finished doing that, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option once more, tap where you see menu, and then from there you can continue editing the different pages. So for example, you can see right here, you have the order tracking page, and this is the reason why I recommend Wix. As you can see, it provides you with the professional options, just like what you'd expect if you were to pay someone to create a website for you. And once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Your website will now be live. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thanks